Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This channel is I'll be solving equations, calculations on phases, so that will make it easy for students who are having difficulty in solving physics calculation. So I'm going to start with the equation of motion. So how do we derive the equation of motion? Equation of motion. How do we derive it? So I'm going to start with the first equation of motion. So how do we do that? Let's assume the body is at rest. We know if a body is at rest, the velocity, the initial velocity will be what? Is zero. So when the body changes, when the body increases is what? Is velocity. How? That means it accelerates. So that means it's going to have what? When the body increases is what? Velocity, or it changes velocity. So that means acceleration has what? Has occurred. We now have what? Acceleration. Acceleration is what? Acceleration, so, is change in velocity, change change in velocity, change in velocity over time. So, no, a body is at rest, that means u. And what is at rest? That means we have what? Initial velocity. So, and when the body increases its velocity, so that means we are going to have what? V. So, the change in velocity will now be what? V minus u over what? Over t. So that means A is equal to what? V minus u over t. So what do we do next is what? We cross multiply. When we cross multiply, so we're going to have what? AT is equal to what? V minus u. If we have 3 plus 2 is equal to what? 5. You can also say 5 is equal to what? 3 plus 2. Know that. Then so therefore, we have this 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. We can also say 5 is equal to 3 plus 2. Therefore, we can also say V minus U is equal to what? AT. So we are looking for V. So what do? We collect the light time. We take this one to the other side. So that means V is equal to what? If this one comes to the other side, we have what? U plus, minus change to what? To plus. U plus what? AT. So that is what? Equation what? Equation 1. Equation what? Equation 1. So the second equation, number 2, second equation, we have the second equation. So how do we get that the second equation? We are going to have, from that, we have average speed, no, from what? Speed is equal to what? Distance over what? Over time. From speed is equal to what? Distance over time. So therefore, we are going to have, we're having what? Average speed. Average speed will give us what? Distance over what? Over time. So when we're having average speed, that means we're having what? Initial velocity and what? And final velocity. So average of something, that means you divide it by what? You divide it by total. That means you're going to have what? U plus V, initial velocity, and final velocity, all over 2 is equal to what? Distance. So distance, we can just use x. S over what? S over t. That is distance, s over t. So the next thing is what? I'm going to say, to find x here, make s the subject of the formula. So that means multiply both side by what? By t. If I multiply both side by t will cancel t. So therefore, we are going to have what? U plus v over 2 is equal to s, okay, multiply both by t, this one t, s over t into bracket what? T. So t will cancel t, so therefore s is equal to what? U plus v over 2 all into bracket what? T. This is what? Second equation. So the third equation will be continuing in the what? In the next video. So thank you.